Pasitra from Shri Political Engineering, holding the USN 1B21IU008, Department of IC, SBC, under the guidance of Dr. Sunil Kumar Kiran, Professor of SBC IC. I'm here for my technical seminar, and the topic of my technical seminar is Augmented and Virtual Reality, Impressive Experience, Gaming, Education, and Training. Was the first slide that is content. I will cover all the topics. First, we will go through introduction, then related background. After that, working implementation. After that, application and future enhancement, conclusion, and references. Heading towards the introduction, AR overlays digital element onto the real world, while VR immerses user in fully virtual environments. AR, VR are revolutionary, healing, educational, and training by enabling interactive, immersive experience. These technologies improve engagement, understanding, and hands-on skill development across various fields. Despite their potential challenges like accessibility, high cost, and usability issues still need to be addressed. Towards the benefit of AR and VR, AR/VR technology significantly boosts engagement and user participation by offering interactive and lifelike experience. They make learning more experiential, helping users understand complex topics through visualization and simulation. What are the challenges? Despite their advantage, AR/VR face hurdles such as high hardware and development costs, making them less accessible to the general public. Moving toward the future outlook, to reach their potential, AR/VR must become more affordable and user-friendly. Advances in technology along with greater investment in the content and ethical design address current limitations. These are the related background. Here we mention author. Author is Lyndon Liu. The title of the research paper was Enhancing Educational Training and Learning Outcomes Through Hybrid Experience Created by Integrating AR/VR. The outcome of the research paper was the AR/VR based hybrid learning significantly improved student engagement and learning outcomes over traditional methods. Method used a Gaussian experimental design with AR/VR based learning versus traditional methods, analyzing results using SPSS. Limitation requires costly hardware and teacher training limited to a few subjects and excluded prior AR/VR users. The second author is Evelis Gashilo et al. The outcome of the research paper was the study found increasing VR/UR research but highlighted the absence of standard matrices and participant issues like cybersickness and interface inconsistency. The method he had used, he performed a bibliometric analysis of 1848 VR studies using tools like viewers, viewer, and bibliometric R. Moving towards the next author, that is G.R. Liu Deng. The title of the research paper was Everywhere AR, a visual authoring system for creating adaptive AR game scenes. And the outcome of this research paper was the AR authoring to improve usability for designers and players, enabling easier scene creation. The method he had used, he developed a graph-based AR game authoring tool and evaluated it through designer and player usability studies. creation error, device dependency, and complexity in setting spatial relationships. The fourth author was Yang Effect of Augmented Reality Game-Based Learning on Students. The outcome of the research paper was the study found that AR game-based learning significantly boosted student engagement in physics, and the method he has used is quasi-experimental study with AR game-based learning in physics, data collected via surveys and interviews. The limitation of the research paper was limited to one subject and is marker-based AR may not scale well across the world. Moving towards the working device and television. Smartphones for AR access via camera use Google Cardboard for simple VR experience, ensure compatibility using Unity 3D and AR Foundation. And the second good thing is easy content creation. Build a drag and drop interface inside Unity for creating AR VR scenes. Allow teachers or trainers to add visual objects without coding. Store scenes as templates, JSON format for reuse. Moving towards the next slide, that comes under working only the environment scanning and scene adaptation. Use AR Code AR Kit to detect surfaces and real-world objects. Automatically adjust virtual object placement based on screen. Ensure natural integration using scene graphs. Game developing. Students open the app on their mobile device. AR/VR content appears based on their surroundings. Interactive learning, training, and training begins. And the last thing regarding this is user feedback and improvement. This is one of the most important things. First, collect feedback using Google Forms or in app ratings. Observe user behavior to refine UX and scene design. Update modules based on real feedback for users. Moving towards the next slide, that is working flow diagram. In the first box, you can see here device and platform setup. What are the device needed and how can we set the platform? The first device that is needed is smartphone so that we can access the camera. Second device is Google Cardboard so that we can appear a virtual experience. Third thing is Unity 3D and AR Foundation for the platform setup. Next, moving to how content is created. Content creation interface. First, we use drag and drop method AR/VR editor. There is no coding required. And the important thing is template shape in JSON file. Moving towards next, that is environment scanning and scene adaptation. This is done by the help of AR code and AR kit detect the real world space. And the last one thing is feedback and continuous updates. Collect via forms in app behavior analysis. Scanning. What are the conclusions? AR VR technologies are revolutionizing education, gaming, and training. Existing systems face challenges like high cost, complexity, and limited scalability. My solution focuses on low cost, mobile friendly, and user friendly implementation. It uses drag and drop tools and smart environment adaptation for flexibility. The goal is to make learning and training accessible to everyone. With future upgrades, this system can transform how we interact with digital content in real life. These are the references that we have taken, and I had explained you all the objectives and the limitation of these research papers. Thank you guys for watching me. If you are new on this channel, please do like, subscribe,